This is a quick introductory to Raw Draws. We've been running for just a little over a year now, and we supply DIY draw systems for utes, four-wheel drives, vans. All come as a raw assembled kit. These are two drawers just here. So there's actually two drawers in this system. They're 180 kilo runners. These have been painted and carpeted for our Hilux, and our camping gear is all in one side here, set up ready to go. The wings at the sides here, you can get those supplied as well, easily to fit. So we're happy to take any emails, phone calls, any questions you have regarding the DIY draw systems by Raw Draws. Thank you.